Hello and welcome back to Coffee Infused Crypto. Today we're gonna keep it short and sweet, simple yet very elegant. And trust me, all we need is one chart to know where we're heading next on Bitcoin. So we just grabbed our cups of coffee, we shared this tweet on Twitter. You can find all our social media links in the description down below. Without any further ado, let's deep dive into Bitcoin. So, parallel channel on the weekly, Bitcoin is looking like so. And if we add Fibonacci at this area and another Fibonacci at this area, this will reveal everything that we need to know. So let's have a closer look on the weekly again. We're gonna flip one moving average, which is the 100-day moving average. Let's keep the 200 as well. 200-day moving average, 100-day moving average, and let's deep dive into this chart. So ever since we had this low at $15,600 and we started pumping, we noticed that Bitcoin has been respecting this parallel channel as a support and as a resistance, as you can see in this area. So we technically moved up, right? Hit the top of this channel, retraced back to 0.382 Fibonacci, found support, then pushed back, got supported or resisted by the 200-week moving average, pushed down again to the 0.236, lost it, came back down 0.382 and wicked all the way down into our golden pocket. So we wicked very briefly down, broke the support of this channel, hit the 0.5 and wicked to the golden zone at this area, and that was very brief on the weekly and pushed back up. Then we have this massive weak, massive green candle where we hit the top of our channel again and retraced back to the 0.382 Fibonacci, where we created this support at this area just as much as we created a support on the previous run, with this exception wicking down, which we're gonna discuss. So what is next for Bitcoin? So we have two scenarios. It's either up or down, right? So yeah, definitely that's two scenarios. But if we went down, what do we have? This 200-week moving average, which was acting as a resistance, it is will act as a support if we move to the downside, right? So what do we have at the or if we move down, what do we have? What targets do we have? We have the 0.5 Fibonacci parallel or aligned by or with the 200-week moving average, and straight below them the support from this parallel channel. And if we had to wick to the golden zone, that would be at this area, which is at 24,900 and around 24,980 to 24,780. That's the golden zone or the golden pocket of the Fibonacci. But the moving average or the 200-week moving average is right at 26,127. The 0.382 Fibonacci is at 27,141. And that is exactly where we touched or approached. And it most probably held as so far as a support. So it supported us. To the upside, we have the middle of this channel, right? So this is the middle of this channel, which is currently at 29,731. we have the top of this run, or the Fibonacci, which we topped here. So this would be a target as well, which is at 30,900. And then we have the 100 week moving average. So let's zoom out and check the 100 week moving average and how this was acting. So the 100 week moving average we interacted with in 2019. We wicked or closed the candle, a couple of weekly candles below at COVID crash in March 2020, and that was it until we broke it in May of 2022, signaling this sell-off and the bear market. And currently we are approaching again one of the last moving averages to be above us. So if we go down to the daily, things would be even better, or we will be able to see. Let's flip the 200 day off and only check the 100 day moving average. So let me remove this and this. So what do we have here? This is the same. I mean, look at it. This is how we have been moving. Top of this channel, retest mid, go down to bottom, move up, top of the channel, supported by mid and by 3.382 Fibonacci, move back up to the top of a channel, get rejected, lose, or all go down to the 0.5, base of this channel, and push back up, middle of this channel, top of a channel, top of a channel, and you see how things are going back to 0.382, where if we lose it again 0.5 and again the 100-day moving average. So we have a 100-day moving average at the 0.5 Fibonacci, which is exactly at $26,000 currently. And to the upside, we have the middle of this channel at 29,700, top of the Fibonacci retracement at 31,000, and the 33,000 of the 100-day moving or 100-week moving average. Short and sweet, that is our shape, that is how we are heading. And of course, in every move, bears, we're going to 9k. I'm signaling where bears started shouting. We're going to 9k in this occasion, in this occasion, in this occasion, and currently in this occasion. But as you can see, this is the trend. Move up, come back, 0.382, 0.5, and then have another push to the upside. Move up, come back, 0.382, 0.5 if we had to, 25,990 or 26,000, met by 100-day moving average, push back up and head towards the top of this channel, which currently, in a couple of days, of course, the top of this channel would be a $35,000. Before that, we have the 200-week moving average, or actually the 100-week moving average, which would be at $33,000. Guys, very simple. We don't need to have all the charts. I don't even have a volume on. I don't need any to spot this trend. So the trend is your friend. The channel that we are moving along with is to the upside. This is the channel, okay? Within the upside trending channel, we will go up and down. As long as we're respecting the borders of this channel, we are still in an uptrend. Even if we're selling off shortly, we are still in an uptrend until we break those levels and close a weekly candle below. So keep an eye on that. Very simple, very short, very sweet, yet very elegant and powerful. And as for today, Again, let's go back on the daily. Let's have a closer look. This is the 0.3. Sorry about that. Let's move here. This is the 0.382 Fibonacci. And as you can see, this is aligning perfectly. And the point of control, this is the value, most probably the value low. Okay, so the point of control currently is of this whole segment is at $28,000. Value area high is at 28,984, and value area low is aligned with the 0.382 at currently 27,186 and 27,120 respectively. So wicked and moved up. This is the daily, and we'll have to wait and see if this breaks this level. 100-day moving average, bottom of the channel. Very simple, very straightforward, yet very on point and on target. So that's everything for today. I hope I made things as simple as possible for you. If you want to know how to trade and to draw those charts, those channels, those triangles, asymmetrical triangles, and all the various broadening wedges and all the various pennants and formations that we use, I'm gonna leave you a link in the top right corner. It's a whole playlist where you can go through each and every one of them, and I'm gonna be adding more and more to it as we progress forward. This is everything for today. I hope you find the content helpful. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I always read those. If you have any question, any suggestion for future videos, I will be sure to look into them and prepare content about them. So stay safe, guys. Stay crypto. Don't over leverage. Just keep your convictions high. We are in track or on track. It's an upper channel and we're still moving in an uptrend. Don't forget about that. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.